to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1965 Chevrolet Corvette Roadster. And this is a factory L75 327 365 horsepower. Awesome car. Matter of fact, guys, I've been driving this car for 2 weeks. I think I put 100 miles on it. Yeah, matter of fact, it's got my dealer tag on it. Great car. Neat history with the car. There's a lot of ownership history that goes with it. Car's had a complete frame-off restoration. I guess it's hard to describe this. So the car was, I'd say this car's lived a pretty easy life. You can see by the maintenance records on it. But the car was actually restored in the 90s, and then just recently it's had a mechanical restoration. So it's got older paint on it that's still very, very nice. There's some things you can pick on it. Matter of fact, I just had the car paint corrected and ceramic coated, which really just slicked it up. Really brought out the metallic. I mean, just really shines nicely. But great car. Again, matching numbers car. There's a couple little stone pecks. Matter of fact, there may be some little bugs on it from me driving it. But great, great car. Again, you're going to see some little imperfections on the car, but still very, very nice. The car does have the original bumpers on them. They did not redo those, I don't think. I think those are just original to the car. I think a lot of this stuff here is original to the car. Love, this is a factory color too. It's Milano maroon, and I love the maroon leather interior in it, man. That is gorgeous. Again, you can see a couple little stone pecks, some little things to pick. I'm not trying to pick the car apart, but 90% of these cars we sell sight unseen, so anything that I see, I try to give you. Power antenna works. Matter of fact, I think the only thing I found that didn't work was the clock. Beautiful car. Love the, it's got BF Goodrich Silvertown Goldline bias ply tires with the knockoff wheels. That is a good looking car right there. Fun to drive. Love the gold lines. You're sacrificing a little ride. It would definitely ride a little. Of course, these are harder. The bias plies are, and they don't drive the best, but or ride the best, I should say. But they look good. A set of radials would definitely soften the ride. Again, this is a matching numbers 327, 365 horsepower. It's got the HH stamping as well on the pad there. Man, it just sounds great. Just a blast to drive. Of course, you can see it's got the Corvette script finned aluminum valve covers on it with the high-performance exhaust manifolds. Paint really slicked out, I tell you, when Marlon come down here and did that. Again, it's got the Winters aluminum intake. It's going to be a little dusty, guys. Like I said, I've been driving it. It does have power steering. You can see the front suspension's all brand new. It's got manual four-wheel disc brakes, stops on a dime. And it does have the matching numbers, 4-speed manual trans in it. Pick your A-pillar curl. Again, I think this stuff, I think they left this stuff original. I just really think this car has lived an easy life by the ownership history on it. Love this interior. I mean, it's just, that's the thing I love about this car. All brand new. Factory bucket seats, center console. It's got the factory wood wheel, factory tach and gauges. Matter of fact, it's, yeah, I put 102 miles on this car. No, yeah, 102, because it had 6 miles on it when we got it. Power antenna works, headlights work, AM FM radio works. Matter of fact, my wife and I went and got ice cream in it last night, and it got a little chilly on the ride home. We had the top down. I turned it on, the heat works. Really cool car. Love the sound. When we fire this thing up, it's got chambered exhaust on it. It's got the factory, I think it's 370 gear in it. Spare carriers in there still. Bottom of the car is very nice. Love the sound of exhaust. Just sounds great. Shifts out good. Clutch is nice. Very easy to drive. You know, just a good car. Love this. These are brand new. It's got the correct seat belts in it. Dash is not, the clock doesn't work. I know that. That's about the only thing I've seen that didn't work. There's all your old ownership history and everything. I'll get some pictures with the top up. It's a brand new black top. Again, I think these are original. It runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Nice and tight. It's got a great L76 cam. You'll hear it working out the back. Look at that car. Yeah, a little dust there if you're seeing that. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't get down here. So I'm sorry, man. I'm getting ahead of myself. Why don't I show you all down here? All your gauges are functional. Tach works. Car holds great oil pressure. Never got over 180. I've had it on the expressway. Listen to the sound. Sound. That's a nice car.
And I said no.
Radio works, like I say, the blower motor works. Power windows. I forgot about power windows. Wipers are functional. Keep going. Yep. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Good. You're good. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep track of us. Look at that car, man. Power windows all work. Slick. Great job by Marlin with that down at OMG with the paint correction and ceramic coat. Look how that color came out. Have a great day, guys!